Good night. My name is Joan Urbano Hernandez. When reviewing the current diagnosis of the company Tulipan SAS, I can see that the most appropriate valuation method for the workshop is the market approach model, from which a precise value is obtained. Since it allows evaluating the real behavior of the textile market, which makes it possible to define strategic and operational corporate objectives.
Good night.
Night.
My name is Kevin Steven Flores. It seems go to query our method of market approach since the company Tulipan ECH has a lot of competition since it is a market is in the hands of many people such language so we can do market study bets on competitor sales price on the competition current transactions market demand public information that will allow all to query our studios more quickly and efficiently and determine the most viable sale price of the product.
Good night. My name is Catherine Lopez, and the argument according to the selection of the market method can include that. Market research include the following aspect: investigation of transaction, actual sales, public records, and others. Investigation of over values, criteria of professionalism, financial entity, market entity in the process of the company itself. Data includes credibility, reliability, and versatility. Determine rank of values.
Good night, my name is Laura Ayala Corredor. I propose that we chose the market approach method since it allows the company to advance to collect market information subject to evaluation in the time while it allows to general analysis to be less complex that the income approach and which derivate evaluate considering operation assets both tangible and intangible.